How to bake cupcakes. The ingredients are 3 eggs, water, flour, oil, cupcake pan, cupcake liner, spatula, whisk, bowl, and measuring cup. Pour the whole thing of flour into your bowl. Crack 3 eggs. Pour 1 cup of water and pour half a cup of oil. Mix everything. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Put the cupcake liners into the cupcake pan and put batter into the cupcake liners. Make sure to not fill it up all the way so then the batter can still expand. Put the cupcakes in the oven for about 19 to 23 minutes. Once the oven is done, poke a cupcake in the middle with a fork or a toothpick. If the cupcake isn't done, put it back in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to have someone help you or be careful to not burn yourself. Let the cupcakes cool for about 5 minutes. This step is optional, but you can put on frosting. This step is also optional, but you can put on sprinkles. And here's the finished look. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.